What's up everyone, it's me, your host, my host, Humphrey Lim, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, ayan, panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman yung gagawin natin ngayon. And for today's video is we'll be doing a Christmas makeover dito sa bahay namin. Ayan. Because actually, alam naman natin na Christmas is fast approaching and usually naging traditional na talaga namin sa family namin na we're actually decorating Christmas decoration. Ayan. Kasi para ma-feel din natin yung Christmas spirit. Ganun. Wow. And yeah, basically yun lang talaga yung gagawin natin ngayon. And yeah, samahan nyo ako guys. So before we continue to the video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a like and also click the notification bell below so that you will be updated on my every upload dito sa aking YouTube channel. And also follow me on my social media accounts so that you will be updated in my life. Ayan. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into the video. So, ayan na guys, naka-prepare na po ako. Meron na po tayong mask and meron na po tayong gloves kasi alam naman natin lahat is dapat we have to be maingat kasi alam niyo naman marami itong mga glitters like katulad dito and ayaw natin mapasok or ma-inhale natin or usually mapasok natin dito sa ating eyes, so we really need to have gloves talaga. So, ayan, eto na yung mga decoration, ang dami nila. Papakita ko yan later. And nandito na yung Christmas tree natin. Ayan yung ating 7-foot Christmas tree. Yan, mahaba-haba to. And also, yeah. So, I hope you enjoy watching the video. Ayan guys, so basically na-out ko na lahat sa box dito. Yung mga Christmas decor at makikita nyo naman, nandiyan na yung mga Christmas decor natin. Ayan. Ayan. So yung gagawin na lang natin is i-decor natin sila ngayon. So, yeah. Guys, ayan, it is actually currently the next day na because actually hindi ko talaga natapos yung Christmas tree kasi meron pang mga kulang na dapat nating bilhin. So, kaya ayun, binili namin yung mga kagamitan kanina. So, nandito na siya. Tadaan. Ayan, ano pang hinihintay natin? Ilagay na natin para matapos na ang ating Christmas tree and also the house makeover. So ayan na guys, papailawin muna natin ang ating Christmas tree and especially yung mga iba pang decoration dito sa bahay namin. So, let's go! And 3, 2, 1, go!
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys, so actually kakagising ko lang and aalis muna kami ng mother ko. Yan, ang mother ko is that pupunta kami sa side ng daddy ko upang magbigay ng regalo sa aking mga sa aking mga cousins doon na side. And yeah, so maliligo lang ako tapos may dadamit, change outfit and then aalis na kami. So isasama ko kayo doon. And yeah, let's get around. So hi guys, ayan na. So we are now here at the car. So saan tayo pupunta?
Sa Univille.
Yan, so pupunta kami sa bahay ni Daddy and we'll be giving some gifts doon kasi
Cousin.
yeah, sa mga cousins ko and also sa mga titas ko doon. So kaya papunta kami doon and feel ko lang hindi kami magtatagal doon kasi bibigay lang namin yung mga gifts and yeah, see you around.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this.
30 to 45. Ito din naman tayo.
Ito na lumos na tayo guys. Ayun. Lumos na tayo. Okay, what would you say? Na, look at.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
So ayan guys, basically we are now here at the Cardinals Cafe. Yeah, the Cardinal Cafe, yeah. Cafe. Ayan, and we are actually watching some cake here. Bumibili kami ng cake kasi wala na po kasi kaming cake. Wala kaming cake kasi I actually thought that we do have cakes pero wala talaga kaming cake sa Pasko. So kaya bibili kami ng cake. So, yeah. So ayan na guys, actually naka-outfit na po tayo. Ayan, nag-change outfit na tayo ng color yellow. And then, yung mommy ko, say hi, me! Hi! Ayan, nagpe-prepare pa siya sa rice. So nilalagay pa. And ayan na po ang lechon. Oh my God! Meron tayong lechon ngayong Pasko. So, ayan, yung, as you can see, yung iba ay nandun sa labas. Ginagawa kasi nila yung, yung fish. Ayan. Nagsugba pa sila isda dito. Nagsugba sila sa panga. Ayan, so nagsugba sila panga. And then, Ali Rob! Ali ba? Ali, sige na. Actually, this is one of my cousin. Say hi! Hello, say hi sa vlog.
Hi.
Diba? So, actually, kompleto tanan akong mga, ideally siya actually kompleto. Kompleto akong igagaw, no? Kompleto akong tanan mga igagaw karon.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. All been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.